fog lamps for some LED bulbs with the CAN bus decoders. And in order to remove this lamp, you have to take the whole thing out. There's actually a hole here. Kind of pop it out from there. All right, so I pulled it here, and then I used this one with my other hand to pop the corners off. So now you just got to remove a couple Torx screws. D-bulbs, that's going to go right in here. Just got to turn it. These are Osrams. It's a quality bulb. But as you can see in the previous shot, I mean, you don't really see too much from these at night. So we'll put this one in. These have these little plastic, hopefully I don't break them. Line up. Put it back where it was. Boom. First things first, we got the tape on here. We'll let it sit, push it in real good so it seats. And then we'll take alcohol prep pads. And I'm basically gonna clean the inside where I'm about to tape this on. Before you screw it all together, now that it's all in, we should turn the car on, make sure they turn on, and we have light. So now that I have this off, basically what I wish I would have known, it goes into those two slots there, and then the rest of it just clips on. That's it.